Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely cap you are seeing on the screen. So I'm making use of a drop fabric, a Lycra fabric, to cut it out. Half yard of Lycra fabric. So the first folding is going to be into 2, then into 4. So let me fold it out with the necessary measurement for you. This is into 2. You can see this is into 2. After folding it into 2, then you fold it out into 4. But before then, let me determine the length so that I will know the length before folding it into 4. So to determine the length, you must consider the band. The cap has big band. As you can see how wide the band is about 5 inches. So let's assume this is going to be 11 inches. So let me shift it to 11 inches. So by the time we add our 5 inch of band to it, then it's going to carry half inch for sewing allowance at both sides. This will remain 10.5 and the band will remain 4.5. So that means we end up having 15 inches for the length of the cap. So let me cut this out. So I've gotten my 11 inches length. Then I will now fold it into 4. This is folded into 4 now. So we have gotten our length. The next thing to get here is going to be the roundness of the head. That's the head circumference. And the head circumference here is 23 inches. So that means we'll be deducting 3 inches from here. We're not going to add any allowance here. We are deducting 3 inches for the main measurement to give us 20 inches. You understand? These are elastic fabric, and I mean a Lycra fabric that draw. So we are deducting 3 inches from the main measurement. Then I'll now copy it to that 20 inches. Can see how the shape is. So let me now cut it out to see it properly. So we are done with the cutting of the cap. So let me now fold out our band. I told you the band is going to be 5 inches wideness. Then the length is going to be 20 inches. We are still adding into the cap, so they must be of the same length. So let me cut that out and show it to you. And here is the band as well. This is not constant. You can make yours smaller than this or bigger than this. You understand? It depends on the head circumference you are dealing with, and it also depends on how wide you want this band to be. It might not necessarily do it the same way I did mine. So we can now join the band to the cap. This is how it's going to look like. You can see now. You can see we are getting there. So after we join this, then we can now plait it. I'm going to show you everything, how you go about with the pleating at the back. So let me go and do that now and show it to you. Here is after stitching the band to the cap. So the next thing here is to top stitch it now to make it exactly the way it is on the thumbnail. So I'll now do that like this, but I'm going to do it at the right side of the fabric. You understand? So you can see, so that you know where you are stitching. So let me now start. I'm done with this now. You can see the next thing is to fold the tip like this. You can see, just insert your hand needle and be pleating it just to reduce give it a shape at the center back of the cap. You can see the way I'm doing it. So that's how you're going to do it when you're doing yours. So after when you have done that, this is how it's going to turn out. You can see how beautiful this is. If you're watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always in my next tutorial. Bye.